How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have more of a vlog style of a video. Recently I picked some parts up for my G35, which I'll go ahead and leave some clips of it throughout this video. Today we're gonna be taking some photos at the park, maybe something for YouTube or something like that. My wife did start her YouTube channel, so I'm gonna be helping her out with that. And I'm sorry for my voice. It's kind of sounds kind of funny because I'm still getting a little bit sick. But yeah, today after getting the photos taken, I'm probably gonna meet up with this guy. There's this fly going around. I'm gonna meet up this guy, and he has a front and rear bumper for my G35, so I'm gonna probably pick those up if everything goes good. And then yeah, we're just gonna have a pretty chill day at the park. Take some photos. I've done a lot of work to the G35. So like I said, I did go to the salvage yard and I picked some stuff up for the G35. Mainly what I was looking for was the reservoir right here for the windshield wiper fluid. As you guys saw, it's missing from my G35. I also picked up the front and rear crash bars along with all the fasteners and hardware that you need to mount them. And then I also did take the opportunity to get a part of the windshield wiper transmission because the original one had a lot of play in it, so I did go ahead and get that as well. And as you guys can see, I did get some seat covers for my G35. I didn't make a video on this just because I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them for long. Right here, you guys can see that I'm missing the interior piece, so I did go ahead and get that as well. And then the seats did come with this dash mat right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna run it for long, but it was nice to get it too. Take him. Take him. Take him. Come on. Punch it. Punch it. Step on it. Come on. He's getting. He gapped you. He gapped you. What's going on? I thought you. Yeah. Well,
what is gap?
There's a big ass gap in front of you two. So he gapped you. Anyways, there's this guy right here in this Kia Optima that's looking at me all funny because I'm recording. But right now we're heading over to the park, and we're gonna pick up my wife's sister, and we're gonna get there shortly. So right now we're just picking up my wife's one of my wife's many sisters. So we're gonna pick her up, and then we're gonna be heading home to her dad's house to pick up her rest of the sisters. Yeah, there's a lot of sisters. Change of plans. Her sister's actually gonna follow us to the park, and we're gonna meet up there. Her and her boyfriend are coming through as well. He has a red SRT, which you probably can't make it out, but it's somewhere in the back. I'll give you guys a close-up of it. It's pretty cool.
This way so the light's better.
So I still don't know what's going on, but why are you guys wearing ties again?
Recreating their old picture. I know.
Oh, recreating an old picture? Where's my tie? Where's your tie, man? That's the photo you're recreating?
Something like that.
Behind the scenes, creating the perfect photo. I grew up in this park. I've been coming here for what? All my life basically, but funny story is this is where my wife used to work at. She used to be the snack bar supervisor, and ever since then she never wants to leave this park. So right now we're setting up the set for recreating another photo, I think. So she's just helping her little sister out right now.
Okay.
Isn't that crazy? Look, they're all all wearing white.
Okay, right here. And then you're gonna put your hand right here. Turn it like that. Voltea los piecitos tantito. Oh yeah. This one too.
That.
Okay.
It's like
And then you do
somebody
this.
hit copy and paste,
No, the other hand.
except for right there.
And then this leg up a little bit. There you go.
Turn it to me too. Turn it to me too. And you can show it.
Alright. Ready?
Quinceañera. We left the park. I didn't record us leaving, but we actually ended up getting some food. Right now it's about to be 8 in the night, and I'm gonna meet up this guy to see if I can pick up the front and the rear bumper for the G35. Right now we're waiting in line to get the money out of the bank so that we can roll in there with stacks, you know, be ready to buy them. If they're in good condition, I will buy them. If not, I'm probably gonna pass on it. I think there's other important things than just the bumpers, you know, but I want to get that car on the road. I don't want to start driving it because I haven't even driven it, you know, to work at all or anything. So yeah, let's see how it is.
There goes Eric in his natural habitat. Eric doesn't look too happy with the bumpers.
As you guys can tell, I'm back at the garage, and by the look at my face, you guys can probably tell that I ended up buying the bumpers for the G35. I actually did go ahead and put them on without recording it just because I was so excited. So just go ahead and take a look. So I got the front bumper on. Everything fits on pretty good. I have it supported with some of the plastic clips right there. Technically, I don't need to run that crash bar right there, but honestly, you have to be safe, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. So that's why I'm going to be doing it the right way, even though I do a lot of bad stuff. But, you know, there's always a limit to my evilness. Anyway, so I don't have the lights on because I have them inside the house. I ended up getting another set that looked like exactly like the ones that I came with. They're just in better condition, so I'll probably get rid of the other ones. Everything here is pretty much set to go. I do need to line this up, make sure that the crash bar lines up and everything. But other than that, the front is pretty much done, besides the grill and besides that little corner light right there. But all that stuff can be done later on. Moving on to the back, I have everything kind of mocked up and everything. So the rear actually fit pretty good as well. No issues with the tabs or anything like that. The light right here for the license plate is hanging down because whoever owned this car before me ended up putting an LED strip. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do that. I'm also missing that metal piece right there that holds the little light bulbs for the LED. I mean for the license plate, sorry. So this will fit right there. These holes right here line up perfectly across right here, so there shouldn't be an issue with that. I'm gonna be getting those taillights from the 2006 and 2007 G35s, so that's not gonna stay like that for long. The trunk had some pieces missing, so I ended up going to the salvage yard and picking this up. So this is gonna cover up this right here, just like so. Gonna go ahead and clip everything back together. Everything should look good. I was really wanting to get the bumper that had the mud flaps, but I guess beggars can't be choosers, right? So we're gonna have to run like that for a while unless I'm able to find those mud flaps. I just like the way the car looks with the mud flaps on for some reason. That's all for now. We're gonna go ahead and see what's next with this vehicle. I'm gonna change the brakes, change the transmission fluid, the clutch fluid, change the spark plugs, probably install a cold air intake. but we're gonna do that as time goes by, slow and steady. But yeah, if you guys did like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider it for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.